Start by patting the meat dry before butterflying it. Next, sauté the onions, mushrooms, spinach, add in the apple. Cook for about 5 minutes. Then add in the garlic powder, smoked paprika, cumin powder, and season it with salt and pepper. Set aside and continue preparing the meat. Then, cover the meat with plastic and begin pounding it to flatten. Season it with salt and pepper on both sides. Spread the filling over the meat and then lay the prosciutto di Parma. And gently roll the meat. Don't forget to sieve your fillings before adding them, because that's what I forgot to do. Tie the meat tightly with the twine. Sear the meat in hot oil until it's brown before putting it in a 160 degrees Celsius preheated oven, covered with foil. Then remove the foil during the last 20 minutes of cooking. The roulade should be ready until it reaches a core temperature of 63 degrees Celsius. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing it. For the sauce, melt 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat and add the flour. Whisk constantly until it becomes a smooth roux. Pour in the collected drippings from the roulade and add 1/2 broth and 1/2 wine, and add a teaspoon of Dijon. Remove the twine before slicing.